Welcome to the buying a domain tutorial with webeden.co.uk. Um, buying a domain with Webeden is really simple. Basically, you go to webeden.co.uk. You'll see here in the middle of the page, you've got a search box where you can choose and buy a domain. In this instance, I'm going to buy a domain or try to buy a domain that I know is already registered. And in many instances, you will do the same because so many domains are registered now. Please note, I am not putting in www dot. I am not putting in at the end here .co.uk or .com. I could, but I'm choosing not to because I want to see what domains are available. So I just type in here buy a domain and then click search, and we will see. So here we've got buy a domain, and I could buy a domain.biz. Buydomain.club, buydomain.co.com, any one of these. However, what I'm going to do in this instance is I'm going to ensure that I've just got one domain that I'm buying, which is buydomain.company. That's £7.91 plus VAT. There are other options with Webeden. I mean, you can look at geographic domains. So, for instance, you might want to buy .gb.net or .gr.com or .mex.com or .ru.com. So there are loads of options here that are available to me from a geographic perspective. Here they've labeled these interesting. Once again, lots of domains, .adult, .band, .business, .church, etc., etc. I could potentially choose a domain for a different industry. If I am a coach or computer related or construction related, I can choose a vertical and have a .dental or a .design rather than a .com or a .co.uk. However, in this instance, I am going to go for the one I've suggested, which is buydomain.company. I click buy now. All registrars will require you to assign a name to a domain that you're purchasing. So you will have to register with Webeden to be able to buy the domain. But once I've gone through this process, given my email, created a password, clicked the T's and C's box, I can click submit and buy the domain. Hopefully that's helpful. Thank you and bye.